Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be disassembling the Black Shark Helo or the Black Shark 2. So first thing you got to do, remove your SIM tray as always. Next, you're going to want to heat up the front of the phone. Once you heat up the front of the phone, you're going to pry the screen off and you're going to have screws underneath there. So just to let you guys know, there is some strong glue on the tops and on the bottom of the phone. So taking the screen apart, if you haven't already cracked your screen, most likely you're going to break the screen trying to pry it off. So again, first of all, go ahead and heat up the screen. Once you heated it up, you're going to need a razor or something thin to get in between the frame and the screen. And once you did that, you could stick your pry tool in. Alright, now once you got your pry tool in between the screen and the frame of the phone, just work your way around. The rest should be easy. The hardest part is the top part, which has a lot of glue underneath it. And there's a cable underneath the screen that's attached to the board, so be careful you don't rip that. Cable's right over here on the bottom left hand corner. Now go ahead and remove the two Phillips screws holding the cover of the cable down. Then go ahead and remove the cover. Next, you're going to want to disconnect this cable over here. It's a flex cable which runs underneath here, so it attaches to the screen cable. Once you lift that up, you're going to have to pry off your screen cable. It's adhered to the bottom frame. Now you can put your screen aside. Next, you have 21 Phillips screws throughout the phone you need to remove. One of them over here on the bottom left hand corner has a water damage indicator sticker. So it's like a white sticker you have to remove. That basically when it touches water it turns pink or red. Go ahead and remove the screws. Alright, once you removed all the screws, go ahead and remove the mid frame from the frame of the phone. Just lift it up and make sure this cable, you slide it through the slot once you're lifting it up. So here's the mid frame. You have your ear speaker over here. Now if you look at the top portion of the phone over here, these two black bars are the water cooling system for the phone, which transfer the heat, and also they make contact over here with the mid frame, which sit inside these slots right here. Alright, next go ahead and disconnect the battery cable over here. Just pop it up. Next, disconnect this cable over here, which leads to your LED strips on the sides of the phone. And then you have one more cable over here. It's a wire cable on the corner. Just lift that up as well. And then next, just pry off the LED strips. And lift this cable up so it's away. Alright, now once you pry that off, here's your LED strips. Put that aside. Alright, next you're going to lift up this latch over here, covering this connector. You pop that off. Go ahead and lift up this cable and disconnect it. Put that aside. Next you got one black Phillips screw over here in the center. Go ahead and remove that. Once you remove that screw, there's a cable over here right in the center on the bottom of the board. Just pop that off. Alright, next you got one more cable over here on the bottom left hand corner of the main board. Pop that off. And then you're going to lift the board, but there's one cable underneath the board you have to disconnect as well. So lift the board towards the battery. I'm going to show you guys the cable. There's a cable right over here. Go ahead and disconnect that wire cable. Then you're left with the board over here. So now let's try and pry off this water cooling system it has. Alright, so here it is. It has some thermal paste underneath it. Well, a lot of thermal paste actually. And it's just on top of the processors. And you see the copper heat pipes over here, which have the liquid inside of it. Alright, let's take a closer look at the board over here. Here's the other side. This is your main cameras over here. So if you want to remove them, just pop off the connector over here for the cameras. Remove your cameras. Alright, next you're going to remove this Phillips screw you have over here. It's a black one on the corner. And then you're going to disconnect this cable over here. Just pop it up. And then you got one more cable over here in the corner. Disconnect that cable. Lift it up and away. And now you're going to lift up and remove this bottom board over here for the charger port. That side. Alright, next, in order to remove your speaker over here, you have to pry up this plastic piece that holds it. Once you got that removed, you're pretty much left with the vibrating motor over here, your battery, and your frame, along with your power switch and cable. So now we're going to go ahead and reassemble the phone. So go ahead and put your speaker back in. Make sure this cable doesn't get stuck underneath it. Pop it in place. Next, go ahead and put your charging board back in. And when you're putting it in, there's a rubber gasket here. You're going to have to put your charger port through it. Make sure your wires don't get stuck underneath. Alright, next go ahead and reconnect this cable. And then once you connected that, reconnect this one over here. Alright, next take your main board, attach the main cameras back on. Alright, next go ahead and reattach this wire cable underneath the board right over here. Alright, once you got that attached, make sure this other cable doesn't get stuck underneath it. With these cables as well. And pop your board back in place. Alright, next we're going to put the water cooling assembly back over. Just pop it back on. Next, go ahead and put your Phillips screw for the main board back in. Alright, now go ahead and reconnect these cables. Leave your battery disconnected for now. Alright, next go ahead and put your LED strips back in. Now this side, when you're putting it back in, you have to put the top in and slide underneath the plastic ridge it has over here. Alright, next go ahead and reconnect this cable over here on top left to the main board. Once that's connected, connect this cable over here, the wire one. Alright, next go ahead and put your screw in for your charger port board. Next you're going to put the flex for the cable that connects to your screen cable back onto the main board. Alright, once that's connected, go ahead and put the cover back in and pop it back in place. That basically will lock it down. Alright, next go ahead and connect your battery cable. Now go ahead and take your mid frame and run your cable through the slot. So it comes through right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop the mid frame back in. Alright, now once you have the mid frame back in, go ahead and put all your 21 screws back. Alright, once you got all your screws back in, put your screen cable underneath the flex. And go ahead and connect that flex cable over your screen cable. And then once that's connected, put the cover over. And go ahead and screw it back in place. And reapply your screen back on, and if you need, add new adhesive, and you're done.